Hey lovelies, welcome to this channel. Today, today I am making Nigerian fried rice and these are my veggies. In my pot, I will add vegetable oil. I'll go in with my chopped garlic and also curry powder. If you want the rice to be very green, you increase the quantity of your curry powder. I will saute this together. Then I'll go in with my parboiled rice. If you are using basmati rice, there is no need to parboil it. Just wash and add. I will add the remaining from my filter and I'll mix everything together. After mixing, I will cover this and I will allow to cook. But before then, I'll go in with my meat stock. I'll add water till it covers the rice so that it will cook it till it's fully done. I will taste this. Then I will now go in with my salt and one seasoning cube because my stock already contain some seasoning, so there's no need for me to add much for it not to be too sweet. Afterward, I will cover then allow to cook till it's fully cooked. I'll mix this from down to the up and I will set this aside. I will then prep my veggies. So these are my veggies after prepping. In my frying pan, I'll go in with my vegetable oil. I'll add white onion and I'll fry this a little bit. Then afterward, I'll go in with my habanero pepper. I'll also add green beans, like red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, carrots, and I'll mix everything together. I'll add a little salt and oxo mix and I'll allow this to fry for a while. Then I'll set it aside. Then I'll come back to the rice. I'll transfer my veggies inside the rice directly. Then I will just mix everything together once. I'll make sure I scoop out the rice from the bottom to the up so that it will spread evenly. Once, if you want the rice to be very green, you can increase your curry powder. I like the way mine is like this. I don't want it to be too green. So the fried rice is ready. You can serve this with any protein of your choice. I'll be eating mine with grilled chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and even share for more amazing video. I would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching to the end, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.